Dear students, in this picture you see X. What is X, students? X is representing an element. At the left side we have written Z. This Z is what? Z is atomic number. This A is representing atomic mass. Students, this is representation of an atom. Any atom is represented like this. If X is the element, Z is the number of proton present in the nucleus of that atom. Z is also the number of electrons revolving around the nucleus of an atom. Okay, so what is Z? Z is atomic number, students. This atomic number is given by number of protons present in the nucleus. It is written on the board, so you will not have any problem. A is what? A is actually atomic mass, mass of an atom, which is number of proton plus number of neutrons present in an atom. Students, you must be thinking that the mass of an atom should be given by summing up the entire number of proton, neutron, electron, but electrons have negligible mass. So mass of electron is not taken over here, not considered. Mass of an atom is actually number of protons plus number of neutrons. Okay, so it is represented by A. So A I have written, it is equal to P plus N. You can see here. Now if I ask you any question that an element A has atom with atomic mass 23. Okay, for example, I am telling you atomic mass, if I give 23, so you know that number of proton will also be 23. And if I ask you what is the number of neutron present in this, then what will be this, students? If A equals to P plus N, then N will be equal to A minus P. So it will be 23 minus 11. This will be 12. Value of N, number of neutron, will be 12. Isn't it, students? It is so simple. Now read this page again, learn and clear your all doubts. Thank you.